कल हमने एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल किया था द सेम वे. इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज. इंक्रीज कैसे करते हैं, हाउ यू कैन इंक्रीज द थिंग्स. यहाँ पर ऑप्शन पे जाओ, ऑप्शन आती है कॉन्फ़िगर आईडीएलई. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन. You will find the option यहाँ पर size. You can increase the size and you can change the font also. So automatically it will increase the size of the text. Suppose if I am increasing the size to apply. Okay. थोड़ा सा size increase हुआ, ज़्यादा करते हैं. Now you can see the difference. Back to the previous size. Earlier the size was 10. But yesterday I increased the size to 12 because some symbols are not visible for the students. That is why I make it 12. Now in this question, write a code. In the question it is mentioned that we have to add, subtract, multiplication of two numbers and value of these two numbers should be taken from the user. That means user will enter and we have to write a code, and then when we are accepting the value from the user, take the value. Suppose I am taking a variable, in that I am taking the one value from the user. Number hai, we have to do the calculation, then obviously we can take the int also. Int function you can write on your register also, the use of int function. You can write use of int function. इसमें लिखो this function is used to convert the value into numbers. Into numbers means if we will pass example in 4.5, the answer will be, output answer will be 4. It will simply discard the decimal part, or you can say simply remove the decimal part. Another example, int, if it will pass the number value in the string form, then the output will be 5. So just write down on your register. Write down on your register. Please turn off your mic. Turn it off. Just write down on your register. Use of int function. I'm again repeating that this function is used to convert the value into numbers. If we will pass the value in the form of decimals, then the output will be in the form of whole numbers. If we will pass the value, this is the example. Don't write, just write the example in this way, the way I have written on the screen. If we will pass the value in the form of string, then obviously we will get the value in the form of integer, whole numbers. It will not round off. If you want to note down, so just write a single sentence in the form of note, NOTE. Note में this function will not round off the value. It will just remove the decimal part. इनपुट फंक्शन का यूज लिखो. जस्ट रिमूविंग द थिंग्स. Input function. This function is used to accept to accept the values from the user. Accept का मतलब take the value. Take the value from the user. So now here I have taken the value from the user. I am using the input function so that I can take the value from the user. One more thing, just write in the input function. This function by default converts the value into string form. So by default, whatsoever you will provide the value in the input function, it will convert into string form, because here we have to do the calculation. For that I have converted that string value into the integer form so that we can do the calculation. Clear? Up straight away there are many ways to write the same code. Sum of two numbers. Now I am separating the text part with the calculation. In this way we can do the calculation also. यहाँ पर sum, यहाँ just write multiplication numbers of two numbers. Clear है? Let's execute. Let me remove this thing, otherwise it will show us the error. Enter the first number. I can enter anything, and then this you can see the difference as multiplication and everything is shown to you. Clear? There is another way also that you can also use. I'm just making the whole code in the commented form. You can store the result of these two variables in some other variable, and then you can use that variable here. It's not necessary that you have to use the E. You can use the word multi, difference, sum. You can use anything. Sum, difference. You can give a name to your variable according to your choice. Rule will be the same. Let's execute. Obviously, it will show us the same thing. In this way, you can see the difference. There is another way also. After this, I'm just making the same thing in the commented form. Same code. Third way, write the same code again and again. If you know the some other reason, or you when you are experimenting the code, if you are developing some other option, then you can also use that thing. If that same code is giving you the same value, correct value, then you can use this thing also. Don't want to display anything, just display a sum of two numbers, comma, a plus b, comma, difference of two numbers, a minus b, comma, multiplication numbers, a multiplication. Also you can do the things. Let's the things. Okay. First number is 2, second is 5. You can see the difference. Multiplication of two numbers, division. In this way you can find the difference. This is another way also. Agar if you want to use the you can use the slash escape sequences also. There is no hard and fast rule key that you have to use those things there only. By using the single line, you can use the same concept here and only. Understood? Now please note down the code on your register. All these are the different ways. The output will be the same in all the codes. Just note down the code on your register.